These are my top 5 tips for achieving the best lineup at home. If you're new here, my name is Dane. I create self-haircutting and grooming content here on YouTube. Alright, tip number 1. Make sure your tools are lubricated and cleaned. This is something you should be doing at the beginning and at the end of each of your haircuts, even if you're the only person that's using your tools. Make sure that your tools are lubricated and cleaned. Tip number 2, depending on your hair texture, this may or may not apply to you. If you have curly hair, trim the overhang around your hairline to create a nice even surface to work with. Tip number 3, wipe your hairline down with alcohol. This is going to remove all the excess oil around your hairline. And similar to tip number 2, this is just another tip to help prep the hairline. Tip number 4, when you're behind your ears, use the corner of the trimmers. If you try to use the whole trimmer, you run the risk of essentially messing up your whole haircut. So as you go behind the top of your ears, use the corner of the trimmer delicately and just follow the natural flow of your hairline. Tip number 5, again, this one is dependent on your hair texture, but make sure you get the overhang with the trimmers on the vertical bar before flipping the trimmer and then essentially dragging the trimmer into that hairline. You want to make sure you get the overhang first, and then all the excess hair will just fall off. If you found this video valuable, please like and subscribe. Until next time, take care.